Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Dr. Nancy. Today I'm here with a new video which is going to be rapid revision or main videos. So this question is something which pops up in every FMG student's brain, those who are also preparing for exam. कि एक टाइम पे everyone thinks that rapid revision पे switch कर लेते हैं. So will rapid revision make you pass FMG? What do you think? So, if you'll ask me, क्या rapid revision से FMG exam clear हो जाएगी? So, I'll be saying you a big yes. According to me, personally, I think that rapid revisions is enough for passing the exam. Why? Because if you'll be seeing, like you all know, I was a Prep Ladder user. So if you'll go in Prep Ladder main video section, you'll come to know either you pick medicine ही देख लो. अगर medicine you'll see there are 170 videos, more than 170 videos for main videos for medicine. So first time में जब ये देखोगे तो ऐसा लगता है कि नहीं ये नहीं होगा. It's very big subject and a lot of videos are there and एक महीने में भी ये possible नहीं है. And actually अगर तुम daily उसे full deeply पढ़ो तो it's not possible in 1 month to complete entire medicine. You should be very serious and you should be giving a particular amount of hours for completing, then only it's possible for 1 month in completing. But अगर तुम rapid revision videos में जाओगे, so hardly 10 to 12 videos and your whole medicine is done. So ऐसा नहीं है कि उन लोगों ने topics cut कर दिया है medicine में and they have skipped a lot of topics. They have added all the important topics which are needed for your exam, and just by reading them you are done for the syllabus which you have to be knowing must know topics for your exam. But the thing is you have to revise that same rapid revision notes and the video content multiple times so that important topics are there in your mind permanently, and it is not going to happen in just 1 to 2 revisions. You have to do multiple revisions of the same notes and the same video again and again, because already the main videos are cut short in a very small quantity in rapid revision, and there is no scope for skipping any topics. You can't be skipping topics from that also that this topic is not understandable, ये मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा, ये थोड़ा complicated topic है, so I'll be skipping that topic. In rapid revision there is no scope of skipping any topics. According to me, rapid revision is already a lot of skipped topics, and it is fully concised in that manner that only important topics are there. So there is no scope of leaving any of the topics. You should be thoroughly going through rapid revision content, and you should be preparing it, and you should be, after completing a topic and a subject from that, you should make sure that you should balance it with question solving. Question solving, you should be correlating with your rapid revision notes, and if any extra point comes, you should be adding it to your notes and making it a whole pack for revisions, and you should be revising again and again. And yes, rapid revision is also enough for passing. You don't need to be fully going to do the main videos, because time abhi kam hai and there is not so much time with you. So if you are having any subjects which you have not completed yet, या फिर वो subject अब तक main video से नहीं करा है, so you can go for rapid revision for those videos. And I think rapid revision is good to go for those subjects, and you can use it for revision, and and more of them would already be using it for revision. So अगर कोई subject complete करने के लिए भी use करना है तो you can use it. But I would like to say for those who are in college watching this video, so I won't recommend you to go for rapid revision, because अभी बहुत time है तुम्हारे पास and you are having enough time to go through the main videos and complete the subjects. Because if you will be balancing, time is less, so I am saying that rapid revision is a good way. But if you are having time, go for main videos, because main videos तुम्हें वो concept देगी जो कि तुम अगर कोई twisted questions आता है या फिर वो option के साथ play करते हैं तो तुम्हारे पास एक concept होगा क्वेश्चंस को एनालाइज करने का. सो प्लीज फॉलो main videos, those who are in final years, but those who are going to give June FMG and they are having less time, so they can use this and hope it helps, because काफ़ी लोगों की वो ये क्वेश्चंस डिलेमा में होती है that रैपिड रिवीजन से कर लूँ या फिर मेन वीडियोस बहुत ज़्यादा है तो हाउ टू रिवाइज, वो रिवीजन के टाइम पे बहुत ज़्यादा हेक्टिक हो जाता है. तो रिवीजन के लिए आई थिंक बेस्ट है रैपिड रिवीजन, क्योंकि तुम्हें सिर्फ इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक्स ही मिलते हैं उसमें रिवाइज करने के लिए. जो इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं है वो उसमें पार्ट नहीं होता, तो वो अपने नोट से रिवाइज कर सकते हो. बट एग्जैक्ट जो मेन टॉपिक चाहिए ही चाहिए वो उसमें होती है. सो दैट्स अ वेरी गुड थिंग फॉर रिविजन. एंड अगर कोई सब्जेक्ट कंप्लीट करने के लिए भी करना है, जैसे तुमने छोड़ रखा है वो सब्जेक्ट, तो यू कैन यूज रैपिड रिविजन एंड इट विल मेक अ होल पैक एंड इट विल हेल्प यू कंप्लीट योर एंटायर सिलेबस. सो prepare well and manage it with main videos plus rapid revision videos, and you're good to go. So thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next video.